So this is my cousin Ella, and
Hello.
she found a present for me that she wanted me to unbox. And I'm very nervous because there's a warning. Bridget and Ella's special unboxing. Warning, may contain scary things. I feel like something's gonna pop out at me. Okay, let's do it. I like that it's elephant wrapping paper.
That's like Christmas.
Is anything gonna break? Wait, I should see. I hear things rolling around.
And wait, hang on. Can you open it with your eyes closed?
My eyes closed?
Yeah. It's like with your sharp nails.
Try.
Cause I just bit mine.
Actually working. So keep my eyes closed?
Yes. Keep your eyes closed.
I feel like, do you know my fears? I'm afraid of clowns. Is there a clown in there?
Hey, that's the same fear as my dad.
Oh.
No, it was the I got you.
Got you.
Ah, that's my hair.
Did it get in your hair? Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous.
Open your eyes.
Oh my goodness!
It worked! It worked!
Why? Why is his mouth in his eyes? He has 10 ears.
Yes, sir.
I don't like it. That's the scary things it contains. Thank you for the warning.
Yes, that was the scary thing.
I didn't like that.
I didn't think that would actually work.
Yeah, I get scared of everything. Is this the real thing?
Yes, this is the real thing.
Is this gonna be scary?
No. That was the only thing.
Okay, now I'm still nervous, but.
It's okay.
Aww. It's a little hot sauce stuffed toy. Cute and cuddly. Aww, I love it. Thank you. What should we name it?
Santiago?
Santiago? Okay, this is Santiago. Yay, that's so sweet.
Santiago sauce. Well, it's good.
Santiago sauce.
Santiago sauce.
Mr. Santiago sauce. I like it. Isn't that cute? Thank you.
Welcome.
Yay. Okay, so it wasn't scary. Wait, why did it come again? I get scared of everything so easily. You're so sneaky. Santiago didn't like that.